Today we're going to show examples of pHing a product. This is the pH meter for the injection or sterile area. And today we are going to be pHing dextrose buffered 5% for ophthalmic use. And as you can tell, I've already weighed out my chemical, sodium phosphate, which is right there. And then I have a 5% dextrose bag, and I mix them together, and I'm going to be pHing it to 7, which would be anywhere from 6.5 to 7.4. So if we go over here, you can see that it is 4.52. So we need to get it up to 6.5 to 7.4. The way that we do that is by using buffers, and the two that we use is hydrochloric acid 1% and sodium hydroxide 10%. These are for pH use only, and the top one, the hydrochloric acid, will lower a pH. The sodium hydroxide on the bottom will make the pH higher, more basic. And so I'm going to need to use the sodium hydroxide to raise the pH. So, let's see here. What I'm going to do is just add 1 drop . And then I'm going to shake the dextrose and put it back on the probe. Okay, so I have dropped in the sodium hydroxide by drop until I got my desired pH, which was supposed to be anywhere from 6.5 to 7.4. So we're at 6.86. So what I'll do next is come over to my formula that I have made, and I'm just going to write in, grab my pen, .86, so that way it's recorded on our formula. And so next I will just QS it, which means quantity sufficient. I'm going to put it up to the 40 mils that I need for this formula, and then it will get sterilized in our buffer room. Thanks for watching, guys. Now we're going to use the non-sterile or non-injection pH meter, which is right here, to pH omeprazole. And the reason that we are pHing the omeprazole suspension is because the omeprazole will rapidly decompose if it's anywhere below a 7.8 pH. So we need to do anything over 8. And here is the suspension. The probe is in some sterile water. So we'll dry off the probe and put it into the suspension, just like the other one. This pH meter also has an S for when it's stable. The pH is at 8.47, and that was without using any sort of buffer. So this is not needed to be changed at all, but we still always have to record the pH of this product due to the type of chemical that we're using. The type of buffer we would have used to pH the product is sodium hydroxide 10%, which raises the pH and makes it more basic, just like the other one. That would be the 2 pH meters that we use in our lab, and thanks for watching.